আজি samla pola khoboti Nagaland state fitor young youth employment karni ekta bal khobor ani thakya hisab tu Nagaland cabinet khan satta department Nagaland police prison forest home guard fire and emergency service lok yakta home guard aro civil defense milagena constable recruitment karni icha kuri dishe koigena khobor dia ase sources de itu recruitment khobor tuili Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patan, Minister in charge of Home and Border Affairs, Jakali, Police Headquarters, Kohimati, Jonai Disha Aro, Recruitment to Cabinet Khan Icha Kridigena, Satta Department Karni, Department Recruitment Board, DRB Khan Kanda Kurlobole, Kogina, Nijo Department Hesabte, Rakhilobole, Kodisha Koase. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patan Laga statement 3 years age relaxation approved kridibo aro maximum age limit toli 38 years applied kudigina India government khanbra Indo Myanmar border area ti free movement regime FMR restriction kurgina fencing lagai lobole jonai thaka opoti north east state Myanmar border logina boundary kri thaka khan meeting rakhilobo aro central government opoti approach kurubo koi dia ase Nagaland DGP Rupin Sharma P border issue opor koi dia sabti Nagaland government khantu kinika hoigena free movement regime thagibo option ulagina national security Myanmar border area te regulate kribo aro border area manukhan ki consideration kri lobo kogena jonai dishem next khobote backdrop of peace shanti karni first time Khuki aro Naga armed group khan openly kam kurbon miti working committee on Naga National Political Group NNPGs aro Khuki National Organization KNO Khan Joint Declaration Historic Pact on Unity Sign Kurlogina Union of India opor alag political settlement fesla kurlobo koi dia ase poti joint declaration to itusal January 2 tarik Imphal te meeting rakhlo apcheti Kitovi Jimomi convener NNPGs aro PS Hokip president of KNO sign Kulosha aro thorough deliberation and discussion team social political and inter-community issue decade opor ahija particularly Manipur state team Twitter side pi agree kurlogina ikilogo kam kurbo aro now and future karni Union of India logina kotha kurbo ko ase reported working committee NNPGs khantu umbrella body of 7 Naga militant outfit since 2017 bra central government logina separate talk rakha ase aro Khuki National Organization KNO consists of 17 Khuki armed group currently government of India logina separate territorial council for Khuki land Manipur state te demand kurgena ja ase aro formal meeting Imphal te kotha kurlo apcheti KNO president laga residence Churachandpur district te dangur khana khaigina meeting khotom kurloise koi thaka viewers khan ke junai dia ase 4th edition of Rotsama Orange Festival organic orange theme under te January 24 tarik kali 10 bajibra logina 25 tarik tak ti Rotsama local ground Kohima te help kulobo kogena junai loise report event to farmer entrepreneurs aro community members khan alag product of orange fresh juice jam aro value added items khan milagina showcase kurlobo ko ase aro celebration iman din rukhi aha 25th of January khotom kurlobo ko gena jonai dia ase jar tipi Dimapur district bhitor lotha colony ju hatsa ulagina thaka report ti poverty vote 10 lakh nishna July dishe ko gena report pailwe ase aro hatsa ti saman ektapi ulabole para nai ko gena jonai dia ase sources te ju hatsa tu ja kalisam 640 inikatam te ulai jaise aro victim family khalna report ti ju hatsa tu exact ti karni ulai jaise iku kobole na parbo ko disha aro hatsa hoigena duk digdar pai thaka family khan ki kolini manu khan bra contribute kurgena modob di thaka report dia ase ekta breaking khobor pai thaka sabti Myanmar army aircraft 14 crew member on board te aji pujor tabletop runway Mizoram Langphai Airport ti crash hoi jaina 6 jon jokhum pai jaise aro hatsa ti 4 jon iman biabara jokhum pai jaise koigena report dia ase. Report ti Myanmar aircraft tu army base wise ja hafta rebels group khan loigena larai karni Mizoram state ponchina shelter loi thakya khan ki loi jabole aha tamte crash hatsa hoi jaise ko ase. Ajipshore Myanmar military plane crash hoja issue ti aji aircraft khan sob Aizawl airport diverted kuri disha aro Mizoram government official khan tu aviation regulator DGCA order kuri digena hatsa upor detail investigate kuribole kodisha aro 276 Myanmar army soldiers khan batch wise loigena Myanmar hometown wapas kurlobole program kuri thakya report dia ase. Aro Nagaland State bra athletics dujon Jama P aro Jami Y dujon bra Khelo India Youth Games 2024 race discipline ajibra logina 25th tarik takti Chennai Tamil Nadu State bra Nagaland State represent kurlobole ase kogina khobor pailo ase. Report athletics dujon P Eastern region of Nagaland State bra ase aro event Jama P 400 meter category aro Jama Y 3000 meter laga category ti participate kuri lobo ko ase. Event ti itu sal 5600 athletics across country bra Khelo India Youth Games 2024 January 19 bra logina January 31st tak ti rakhi lobole ase aro Tamil Nadu State country KIYG 2024 6th edition charta location bra host kuri thakya report dia ase.